Hello and welcome to Cabin Fever Crochet with me, Helene here. Same outfit, same lake, same bat station. I just wanted to pop on and tell you about some exciting news for me is that yes, I have another channel, a new channel. It is mostly, it's nature-based, nature-related, and I have done some of filming for that on my crochet channel. Lucy, stay here, sweetie. But I decided to separate those out and have two different channels. This is something that I had been thinking about for a really long time anyway, and I had ideas and other topics that I was going to incorporate that. Thought of that even before I started my crochet channel, but because this is my main focus in the crochet and I have so many ideas, different things I want to share with you here. And even though I do incorporate some of the beyond portion, and I still will continue to do that, like we have our yarn on the lake and going on location to various places, and I still have a lot of things I want to do and share, but I also wanted to start putting out some of my nature video content because it's something that I've always enjoyed and my love of the outdoors and photography. So I will leave the link below for that. I hope that you will please check it out, subscribe, watch, share. Some may or may not be for you, but a lot of it is just peaceful and relaxing and calming and some of the beautiful sights in the area. You know, in my 10 questions video recently that I answered, and I'd said that for me, variety is a spice of life. I like seeing new things, doing new things, different things, but that doesn't necessarily mean that I have to go real far to do that either, because there's a lot here, right here in this state, yet for me to explore. And just the other day on Mother's Day, my husband and I took a drive up north, and we wound up going within 30 minutes, 30 miles of the Canadian border. But we stopped, we had breakfast, and we sat outside. It was lovely, awesome, awesome breakfast. I had one huckleberry pancake with it. Oh my gosh, it was so good. And then we drove up north and we stopped in a town called Kettle Falls, a huge antique shop, kind of like a mercantile, and it was an old apple warehouse, 3 stories. So they had the upper floor closed off, the basement, the bottom portion was partially open. My husband went down, I did not. He can go through the whole place like 3 times, and I'm still in one section taking it all in. But it's very long and there's so much to see. I could probably spend all day there and not see it all. But they had some handmade soaps and lotions, which were quite nice. I got one to try, a small one, and I just knew I probably should have gotten the full size. It's wonderful. And then, oh, at one end, they have a bakery with just home-baked, fresh, quality, real ingredient. And then we took the scenic drive, and then on the way back, we stopped in the same area and found a waterfall. So I filmed quite a bit on that, and once I edited, I have about 8 minutes-ish of footage. So that is my first video, and then I may have another one by the time you watch this. So I really hope you'll check it out. It's Nature's Kindness. So when we were at that antique shop, look what I found, and I just had to get it and give it a new home. A beautiful crochet doily, such beautiful work. This is the right side. Isn't that lovely? I'd said my 10 questions that I'm really not that into purple, but to me this is more grape, and it goes into an orchid and a very, very pale lilac color, which I think is just beautiful. And I do like all those colors very much. I don't have much of it, but in the area where I'm putting it, it will really just brighten that space. And it is amazing when you just something simple, well, not simple in the way that it's made, you know, but something that is relatively a simple thing that you can do, how it can transform a space and a room and just bring it to life by adding some color. It's just astounding to me. So anyway, that's all I wanted to share with you for today, and just pop on and let you know about my new channel. So I hope you will enjoy it. All right, and until next time, I will see you again here on Cabin Fever Crochet and Beyond.